I'll show you how to request an item using UC Library Search. Go to search-library.ucsd.edu. Log into your account using your single sign-on or your email associated with your library account. Locate the item using the search bar. Select the title to view the full details when you find the item you're searching for. When ready, select Request and then select the desired pickup location to place the hold. If you're requesting a journal, on the left-hand side, select Get It. Just like placing a request on a book, you can order the item or have certain pages digitally scanned. If you do not see the volume you are looking for, select Show More Items. Typically, items will be ready for pickup within 2 to 4 business days. You will receive an email stating that your item is ready for pickup and that you have 7 days to retrieve it. If you have any additional questions, you can email us at libraryborrowing@ucsd.edu or call us at 858-534-0134.